Have you ever felt like your mum was two different people? Sometimes I did. It was as if she lived in two worlds at once, one that was soft and dreamy, and another that was sharp and real. As a child, I didn't have the words for it, but I could feel the difference deep in my bones. When I was little, I'd close my eyes and feel her spirit, soft, warm, wrapping me up in the kind of love that feels almost magical. In those moments, she was my angel. Her presence was like a gentle breeze, soothing every worry, making the world feel safe and small and perfect. Nothing but gentle whispers, forehead kisses, and stories that made me believe the world was safe. Her voice would float through the darkness, promising that nothing bad could ever reach me as long as she was near. I'd drift off to sleep feeling protected, certain that love like hers could keep all the monsters away. But then, morning would come, the dream would fade, and reality would settle in. But open my eyes, and there she was, my very real, very human mother. She was no longer just the angel from my dreams, but a person with her own worries, her own struggles, and her own way of showing love. On Earth, she was different. She could be sharp, commanding, sometimes even mean. Her voice would snap when I made mistakes. Her eyes didn't always have that gentle glow. Sometimes her words stung, and her rules felt unfair. I'd wonder why the same hands that tucked me in at night could also point in warning or discipline. It was confusing. Why are you so sweet when I dream of you, but so hard on me when I'm awake? I'd sit quietly, trying to understand how one person could be both my comfort and my challenge. Sometimes I'd feel alone, convinced that maybe I wasn't good enough for her love in the daylight. I'd replay our arguments in my mind, wishing I could go back to the softness of her embrace. I used to think she was just tough on me, and maybe she didn't love me the same way in real life. I wondered if I was the reason she seemed so different. If I could just be better, maybe she'd be the angel all the time. But as I grew, I started to see something else. I began to notice the little things, the way she watched over me when she thought I wasn't looking, the pride in her eyes when I tried something new, the quiet sacrifices she made every day. There's a kind of love that doesn't always sound sweet. It's the love that teaches you lessons, even when you don't want to learn them. It's the love that stands firm, even when you push back. Sometimes it's the love that pushes you to be better, that calls you out, that expects more, because she sees what you can be, not just what you are. She believes in your potential, even when you can't see it yourself. She's the one who won't let you settle for less. And when the world hurt me, she was there to pick me up, to remind me that I was never alone. Her strength became my shield, her care my comfort. In spirit, she soothed my heart. On earth, she taught me to be strong. She was both my safe place and my training ground. It took me years to realize that her meanness was really her way of preparing me for a world that can be even harsher. She wanted me to be ready for anything, to stand tall when life tried to knock me down. She wanted me to have armor, not just wings. She wanted me to soar, but also to survive. Now I see her as a whole person, someone who could be gentle and fierce, loving and demanding all at once. Now when I think of her, I see both sides, heavenly sweet, earthly mean. I understand that both were necessary, both were real, and both were love. I know those tough lessons were a kind of love too. They were her way of giving me the tools I'd need long after I left her arms. The best of both worlds. The kind of love that holds you close and the kind that lets you go, trusting you to find your own way. A mother isn't just an angel or a disciplinarian, she's both. She's the one who lifts you up and the one who grounds you. She's the gentle spirit who lives in my dreams and the strong woman who shaped my reality. She's the reason I know how to hope and the reason I know how to fight. Her lessons echo in my choices, her love lingers in my heart. I carry her with me in every challenge and every triumph. If you've ever wondered why your mum could be so sweet and so tough, maybe it's because she wanted to give you the tools to survive and the hope to dream. She wanted you to be brave enough to chase your dreams and strong enough to weather the storms. The mix isn't a mistake, it's what makes her love last in every world. And that's the gift she gave me, a love that's both soft and strong that endures no matter where I go.